Hey guys, meet Flynn. They say he's a real lover boy. You like the people? Oh, you're pretty. You got white paws. I can't get him with my dogs, but at least he's getting a visit and some stimulation. Hey Flynn, you're so pretty. You're silly. You're a silly kid. He's just a baby, guys. He's only 9 months. You're just a big old baby. Get down here where we can see him better. Hey, Flynn. Hey, Flynn. Always want to rub up on you. Oh. Oh my God, guys. He's so lovable. Hey, Flynn. Hey, Flynn. So lovable. Bye, guys.